Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enlarge a standard pearl bead using a drill press, but avoid the common problem of chipping, flaking, or cracking. I hope you enjoy this. I have filmed and posted a video on how to assemble and use my favorite and inexpensive drill press. I'm going to leave a tag here for that video. As well, I filmed tips on how to use the simple pearl and bead vise. You can find more information on that in the video description below. The current pearl hole fits a maximum of 22 gauge or 0.65 millimeter thick wire, and I want to enlarge it so that I can fit a 1.3 millimeter chain, and I will be using a 1.4 millimeter drill bit. So I'm going to put this in, swivel it so that I could have it there, hold on to it, have my lines meeting so I know approximately it's going to work, and then I hold this to tighten the screw a little bit, just a little bit, and make sure that I am still there, like this. Both sides meeting, and then I use this to make sure that it is centered, and this side also centered, and then I tighten a little bit more. Okay, so this, I'm going to make sure that, okay, so that make sure that this will go down perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to check by pushing down to make sure that it meets where I want the hole to be. If it is the case there is no hole to begin with, I would have dotted that with a marker to make sure I know the place. Now I'm going to turn it on. So I've discovered that when you are drilling, it's really great this side, but sometimes because this is unsupported, it might flake, shatter. As you probably notice with other things, shells, or even drilling, say pottery, a pot, if it's hollow underneath, it will just push through and it'll shatter. Whereas what you want is to have support so that there are no cracks. There is something that push back or cushions it. I'm going to pause here. I actually tried many different drilling methods to avoid flaking or cracking on the exit, but ruined lots of pearls in the process. And what I found is adding scotch tape helps, but what's even better, and there was like a 50-50, what's even better is using, this is puffy tape, I just kept double-sided tape, I just kept this side on, so this is really old but sticky, a little bit sticky, that helps, but it's not sticky enough, so I'm going to use scotch tape to tape the other side and then have that to add pressure. So I've got this supported, we're ready to go. I'm going to insert this, and I'm going to move this in and make sure that I'm lined up the way where I want it to be. I'm going to turn it on. Okay. There we go. It looks really good on this side. Let me see if that has worked out with all these precautions. Okay, I'll show you. Looks like this. You know, it did protrude. So it is not foolproof, but it is pretty good. And any flaking is on both sides. I mean, it's all around. I tried scotch tape, but only about a third of the time did I not have flaking or cracking on the exit hole. I also tried cushion tape plus scotch tape, and only half the time was there no flaking on the exit. The best solution I found is to drill a little bit on both sides, perhaps a third on each side, then remove any debris or powder from the hole, and then drill right through in one smooth go. Doing a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, the hole is larger. There's no cracking anywhere. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Definite placement. Same thing. Okay, so that way you've removed some of the debris, the powder. Good. And then we're going to do, now this time we're going to put it right through. We're checking. So this time we're going to put it right through. I'm checking to make sure I've got the right placement, and I'm holding both sides down. Oh, great. You see? That's very good. So now I've got that done. Let me just clean that a little bit. So, yay! So now you know the secret to drilling large holes into pearls and avoid chipping and cracking. I hope you found that interesting. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a distributor for Sunstone micro welders. I'm going to leave some more information below about my company. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you. And although it doesn't take much of your time, it really does help my algorithm, and I appreciate your support.